I don't really worry about surveys, quite frankly. I don't really, because of course I see them, but it doesn't make any difference to me. I don't change my decision because of the survey. I don't change direction because of a survey. I take a decision because that's what I feel is the proper decision to make. I adopt a policy because I believe that is the best policy, and a survey doesn't really come into it because it does not determine the rightness or wrongness of what I'm trying to do or what my government is trying to do. It's not that I don't care. Of course you care. You're a politician, but it only to a very small extent. You know, if your numbers aren't good, I wish they were better. If your numbers are good, then you say, "Oh, great, they're good." But once that stays in my mind, maybe for a minute or two, and then I get back to work after that.